What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. As I was walking through, I saw a new piece of track on the Airtime hill and a couple new supports, but nothing really else. However, today we do get a chance to get some views from Bayside Stadium. And also, apparently the Pipeline train is here somewhere. We're gonna find it. Parking and security was a breeze. Not really many people at the ticket window. And turnstiles, also not busy. I will say though, there are more people here today. Christmas celebration is going on at the park, so they're open late. And the parking lot reflects that. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Another scorcher, somewhere in the 80s. Beautiful blue skies, just a couple small clouds. And what is this that I see? Right here at the front entrance, literally right next to the SeaWorld store, is the front car for Pipeline, the same one we saw at IAPA. Signage over here saying opening spring 2023 for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. And it's encouraging people to get an annual pass. And just off to the side, we can see the ride layout over here. Also advising guests, don't get on it. But they do have the hashtag Pipeline SWO. Train looks good. Something else to note that's really cool. Here is the park map for SeaWorld. And check it out, Pipeline is now on there. Good stuff. Split point, and I did see Sky Tower running earlier, so I'm gonna head over there first before going over to the bridge and Bayside Stadium. Here's that snow globe again, except now it has a backdrop showing SeaWorld Christmas celebration. It didn't have that before. Hello, Sky Tower. Good to see you again.
Not what they used to.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Towers. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
I wonder what they do right there. That's a pretty big amphitheater looking thing for. What's that right down there?
Great, this is a new one for Bill's Bank. Starts so well. I wonder how difficult it is to like build a roller coaster. Give them each of those pieces. Like
Just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins. To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or
That right down there.
Great, this is a new one for Bill's Bank.
It's bridge time, and from what we saw on the Sky Tower, they haven't done a lot of work. They added a couple more pieces of track to that Airtime hill over there, but crews are set up for success. Next week, they have a bunch of supports that are on the ground, and those are gonna go up, and I expect a lot more track to also follow it. I've been on all of them here. It's also been a long time since I've gotten a view over here from the Orca Stadium. We'll try to get one now. Hooray! The pathway leading over to Bayside Stadium is indeed open, so we're gonna get some good views. Gotta love those views from Bayside. They literally are the best. You get the closest. Icebreaker, and it currently has a 20-minute wait. During the week, it was a walk-on. So yeah, definitely a little bit busier now that it's the weekend. With not a whole lot of construction happening today, unfortunately guys, does not justify flying the drone. We'll do it sometime next week when they get back into the swing of things. Sorry. I know. I'm sorry, no drone. But I know of a good way to make it up to you guys. With pink chickens! Yes! That's always the better solution, right? Looks like both baby pink chickens are taking a swim. One of them right there, and the other one is right there. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Exciting stuff as we saw the front car at the front entrance. Looks amazing. Of course we have Manta doing a flyby. More track was added to the layout for the Airtime hill. And crews are going to be very busy next week. Of course we're going to have plenty more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway guys. Bye.